repair. Hi, I'm Zeke, and this is my stuffy snout. We're on a top secret mission to decorate the neighborhood with things our friends love. But first, we have to fill holes in the road so I can ride across. Tap here to get started. Who should we decorate for first? Zadie, Malik, Junjun, or Ellie? Tap to choose. Now let's decorate for Ellie. My friend Ellie. Here are some of her favorite things. Fire trucks, waffle stickers, streamers. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Fire trucks. Ooh, more triangles. Let's use these shapes to fill these holes. We made it! Ellie loves fire trucks. Which hole would you like to fill first? Woohoo! You solved a really big problem. What do you think we can do to solve this big problem and fill these holes? Let's work it out. Hooray! You worked it out! Wow! We're almost done! Can we solve this big problem one hole at a time? Yay! You used the shapes to help us ride across. Awesome decorations! Ellie adores them. We made the neighborhood look extra special. And everyone's so happy. Tap this button if you want to decorate the neighborhood a whole new way.